Hi, so you're looking for the APMP certification. What is it and why do you need to pursue the APMP certifications? APMP, the Association of Proposal Management Professionals, is an industry-leading certification. It's world's only and world's first accreditation certification program for bid and proposal professionals across the globe. So if you are a bid and proposal professional, then this is the only certification for you. So why do you need to pursue the APMP certification program? 3 reasons. Number 1, you're demonstrating your personal commitment to your career and your growth. Number 2, you're building and gaining the credibility not just among your peers and your clients, but most importantly across the whole industry. And number 3, and the most important thing, you are learning the best practices of how to write and win proposals. So why are you waiting? APMP certifications. If you are a bid and proposal professional, this is the certification for you. Find more information at www.apmp.org.